We're going to see how Synthesized can be used to augment and rebalance a data set to improve my credit risk model. Let's get started. The first step, let's load the data set. You can see that the credit data set I'm using contains a mixture of categorical and continuous variables. The next step is to split the data set into train and test to make sure that when we evaluate the model, we evaluate it on unseen and unbiased data sets. So let's get to it. The high DIM synthesizer is the main object that is able to learn and generate some data. But to do so, it needs a data frame meta. This data frame meta that is extracted by meta extractor contains all meta information about the data set. So just with these two commands, we're able to generate a synthesizer object. Now let's learn the data. With another simple command, synthesize learn, you can learn the whole data set. This process takes a few minutes, so I'm going to stop here and jump forward a bit. Great, the synthesizer has finished learning the data. Now let's generate some new data. In this case, I'm going to generate 100,000 rows, although I could generate as many as I want. Let's look at the first 5 rows of this data set. As you can see, to the naked eye, they look very similar to the original. But now let's assess the quality of the generated data. We have the assessor object that helps us to look a bit deeper into data and look at how good the synthesizer did its job. First of all, let's look at the marginal distributions of the columns in this data frame. You can see here in pink the original distributions, and in blue the synthesized distributions, and you can see that the distributions are very similar in both data sets. To learn more about the synthesized SDK and how it can be used for data anonymization, rebalancing, and imputation, check out our full demo video at synthesized.io/demo.